Ever wondered if Modalyst, the popular dropshipping platform, has an app? I mean, in this digital age, it seems like everything has an app, right? Let's dive in and find out. Modalyst has been a game changer for online entrepreneurs, offering a seamless way to source and sell products without the hassle of inventory. But is there an app to make this process even more convenient? Research and findings. Initial search. Let's start by doing a quick search on the App Store. I'm looking for an official Modalyst app. No official app. Unfortunately, a simple search doesn't yield any results. There's no official Modalyst app available for download. Reasoning. Why might this be? One possible reason is that Modalyst's platform is primarily web-based, and they might find it more efficient to maintain a single platform rather than developing and maintaining a separate app. Mobile-friendly website. While there's no dedicated app, Modalyst's website is designed to be mobile-friendly. This means you can access and use the platform on your smartphone or tablet without any major issues. Third-party options. There might be third-party apps or browser extensions that can help streamline your Modalyst experience. These tools might offer features like notifications, quick access to your dashboard, or even integration with other platforms. Alternative solutions. Bookmarking. A simple but effective way to quickly access Modalyst on your mobile device is to bookmark the website on your home screen. This creates a shortcut that looks and feels like an app. Browser extensions. Explore browser extensions that can enhance your Modalyst experience. Some extensions might offer features like product research, price tracking, or even automated tasks. Mobile apps for dropshipping. While there might not be a specific Modalyst app, there are other dropshipping platforms that offer mobile apps. You could consider exploring these alternatives if you're looking for a more app-centric experience. User experience. Mobile-friendly features. Discuss how Modalyst's website is designed to be user-friendly on mobile devices. Highlight features like responsive design, touch-optimized elements, and easy navigation. Real-world examples. Share personal experiences or testimonials from other users who have successfully used Modalyst on their mobile devices. Challenges and workarounds. Address any potential challenges or limitations you might encounter when using Modalyst on mobile. Provide solutions or workarounds to help users overcome these issues. Future outlook. Possibility of an app. Speculate on whether Modalyst might consider developing an app in the future. Discuss potential benefits and challenges of such a move. Stay updated. Encourage viewers to stay updated on Modalyst's announcements and developments, as they might introduce new features or platforms that could impact the mobile experience. Recap. Summarize the key findings of the video. There is currently no official Modalyst app, but the platform is mobile-friendly and can be accessed easily on smartphones and tablets. Alternative solutions. Remind viewers of the alternative solutions discussed, such as bookmarking, browser extensions, and exploring other dropshipping platforms with mobile apps. Call to action. Encourage viewers to try Modalyst on their mobile devices and share their experiences in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.